Hey man, what's going on?
Not too much, man. You?
Oh, not much. Just hanging out, enjoying the sun.
That's cool, man.
Yeah, it's been a long time. How come you're not dropping any videos anymore?
I know. I haven't come up with anything in a while. Just think of some solid content to give my viewers, and you know, just been brainstorming a lot. That's one thing, and I think the other thing is like I haven't really bought or installed anything on my truck recently.
Oh yeah. How much have you spent on this anyway?
Oh man, I'd say somewhere in the ballpark of like $5,000 or $6,000 roughly. I haven't really calculated it.
Buddy, that's what we should talk about today.
You know what? That's a good idea.
Yeah,
that's a really good idea. Are you done on recording the vlog?
Yeah, I'm still down to do that.
All right, guys, let's do it. You guys are doing well. So it's been a while, but I'm back, and we're going to be talking about the accessories on my truck, the total cost that I've spent to make it look like this. So without further ado, we're going to get right at it. So since we're standing at the front of the truck here, I'm going to start off with what's really obvious, and those are the headlights. I picked these ones up directly from VLAND. These ones cost me $700 for the set. So far, so good. It's worked out really well with me and for me, so no complaints about that. Moving to the center of the truck, we got this Raptor style grille made for the 2018. Comes with the 3 marker lights over here that we had to get wired up, but I love the look of it. This one cost me $500 Canadian. Moving to the bottom of the truck, I repositioned the plate from the front to the side. That cost me nothing. Also at the bottom of the truck, we deleted the lip spoiler. Some people call it an air dam, whatever you want to call it. That also costed nothing. Moving to the stubby antenna. Now this is a 13-inch antenna over here, and it's flexible, really flexible. So that's what I like about this one. You can hit stuff and it's not going to damage the body of your truck. This one over here cost me $32. Alright, so these in-channel rain deflectors over here are by Goodyear. And I got the set, the 4 for the driver's side, passenger side, and the back. The set cost me 100 Canadian dollars. Alright, the places I have to reach for you guys. The third brake light, right over here. A little dim if you were to ask me. It's by Enzo USA. This third brake light over here cost me 113 bucks Canadian. So yeah, other than the fact that it's not that bright and the fact that they don't include their own hardware, you have to use your old screws, which are silver, and the other only option is to paint them. Not bad, I'm still using it. Let's move down a little lower. So we got the backflip MX4 tonneau cover. Now this one over here costed me 1,308 bucks Canadian. Don't mind the mess, but literally flips backwards like so. So the back flip. Okay. Once it's up, I mean, I have a full review about this and an install video about this, but it comes with these little type of rods that hold it in place on either side. Screw that in. That's pretty much the back flip over there. All right, here we go. We are back at these taillights now. These are by VLAND, and they've been great. No condensation so far. Strong LED taillights. These ones cost me $319 for the set, and I love them. I really like them. I'd highly recommend these. All right, so here we go. We got now the Raptor style tailgate applique. Now this one cost me $318 Canadian. I've had a tough time with this. There's a lot of things I haven't showed you on camera about this. The first review install went a little disastrous. There was the 3M tape that was missing. There were screws that were missing. There were other plaques or little bits of it that were missing. It was off of Amazon. I would not recommend this. I finally got it like put on. The company sent me the 3M tape. Decided not to use the 3M tape and take it to a body shop to get glued on. I think we ended up just 3Ming the whole thing. Started peeling off. Try to use some type of adhesive glue that they use for windshields, and kind of stuck on, but it started warping off on the sides because the way it's made, the way the tailgate is, it kind of bends off to the corners, the left and right side, and it's really hard to get this plastic to bend with the body shape. Finally, what we ended up doing is removing the letters and drilling holes through the applique into the body of the truck to get the damn thing to stick on. And then apparently they told me that they actually used glue to stick these letters back on. However, I took this truck just now into the car wash before this video, and one of these letters fell out. And when we found it, we discovered that there is just 3M tape behind it, so the guy didn't end up gluing it. So I've had my share of bad luck with this. And yeah, you know what, as beefy as it looks, use your own discretion when purchasing this one. So here we have the tow ready tow hook. This is something else that I just picked up online, and I love it. Honestly, it could serve a couple of purposes. Number one, it keeps creeps off your tail. So it looks really aggressive, and trust me, when someone's riding behind here, if I was riding behind this, I wouldn't want to get my bumper hooked up onto this. For any type of recovery strap that you want to mount onto your truck, just mount it onto this and it can pull. Okay, for the exhaust, I got a Wicked Flow tailpipe right over here, and this one cost me $100. It's honestly just for cosmetic reasons that I bought it. I like the black look, and it gives an aggressive, I guess, appearance to the truck. Now this is attached to a MagnaFlow exhaust. I got a MagnaFlow muffler. That cost me about $400. We can't quite see it in this angle over here, but I'll try to show you like a quick shot of it while I'm speaking here. It was pretty decent, but with a V6 3.5 liter, the twin turbo, you know, the setup that we have here, the EcoBoost, it's not as loud as I wanted it to be. So I went back and I did a resonator delete. So with the resonator delete and the MagnaFlow exhaust, it sounds something like this. Alright, so we're moving to the front of the truck now. I got a Mud Terrain 33 by 12.5 by 17 mud grip tire. It's a Deep Digger Antares brand tire. They've worked out pretty well during the winter time as well as the summertime. These tires costed me $215 Canadian each, which isn't too bad. So talking about the rims now, these are a DAI or Die brand. They're 17 by 9, and they costed me $165 each. So just above these tires and rims, we got a level kit. Not really above, but you know what I'm saying. So we got a level kit installed at the front to eliminate the factory rake, and I'm really happy with this brand. It's by Body Armor. And this Body Armor 2.5 inch kit cost me $400 Canadian. 2.5 inches is just perfect to level off this truck. Now I'm going to talk about something that you can't see right over here. I'm going to throw in another video clip. Rock lights. So these rock lights are by NVE. I picked these ones up from GTA Jeeps and Trucks. It's their personal brand. This is a 12-piece LED RGB kit, so we can change the lights through the app that you can install onto your phone. For this set, you're looking at $342 Canadian. I'm pretty happy with these rock lights. So far so good. I haven't had any issues with them yet. I've had them for, I'd say, maybe 3 or 4 months, and I love it. Honestly, it really gives the truck a whole different appearance at night. So are you guys ready for the grand total? Yeah? Well, The grand total for all the accessories on this truck is $6,263. Woohoo! You heard me right. $6,263 for all these accessories. Now, I was lucky enough not to have to pay retail for a lot of these accessories. Being a YouTuber, we get our perks. But now the question is, what's next? It's an addiction. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll remind you that there's going to be a subscribe button that's going to pop up at the bottom of the screen. That's just an animated one. You know where the real subscribe button is. Please smash it, tap it, click on it, whatever you can do to show your support. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. We're going to be talking about the expense, or we're going to be talking, let's try that again. What am I going to be talking? You can cut. This grill over here costed me $500 US. US dollars? Canadian. Shit, I'm going to have to do that again. You're recording me, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay. I have to get down. Wow. Condensation. Let me try this one more time. Alright, so here we go. We got the... let me try this again. So here we go. And I don't know what the price is. 17. And... blah, blah, blah. So these tires costed me $165 each Canadian. I hope it was 165 each. Yes, it was. Cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope it was enlightening. And
yo, you gotta sound way more excited than that after you say the number.